My name's Professor Dan Lubman. I'm the Executive Clinical Director at Turning Point, which is a national addiction treatment research and education centre based here at Eastern Health. I've worked in the addiction and mental health space for over 20 years now, both as a psychiatrist and an addiction specialist. People often turn to alcohol, drugs and gambling to cope with really difficult life experiences or to deal with emotional pain. I think it's really important that we increase awareness around these issues because developing a problem with alcohol, drugs and gambling is something we don't talk enough about. It's been fantastic that over the last few years we've been talking more and more about mental health and people are more willing to put their hands up for help, and that is something we really need to do in this space because shame and stigma is something that often holds people back. We know there's a strong bi-directional relationship between alcohol and drugs and mental health. We know that many people who use alcohol and drugs regularly can develop mental health problems, and we also know that people with mental health problems can turn to alcohol and drugs to cope with underlying distress. I think it's just really important to take a moment to step back and reflect on a relationship with alcohol, drugs or gambling. Is it healthy? Is it unhealthy? Is it impacting on our life in any way, on our relationships? Look, the great news is there's lots of immediate help out there. At Turning Point here, we run a number of helplines, both in Victoria and nationally, around alcohol, drugs and gambling. It's only a phone call away. If you're worried about a friend or a colleague, please reach out. The theme is let's talk about it and let them know that you care, let them know that the support is available and let them know that you're here to help.